Hello everybody. Okay, so this is video number 6 in the iRacing Blue Screen of Death Crash Repro walkthrough, where we will install Kutu's iRacing browser apps. We've installed Windows, we've installed iRacing, we've installed the Z1 server, we've installed Voice Attack, we've installed OBS Studio so far. So the browser apps are a set of lightweight applications that provide information to stream overlays. That's the server. Betbot allows viewers to bet on races and participate, and the bettertp is an alternative to trading paints. So all of this comes in one browser apps archive, and we'll install everything together. So back to our setup machine. We're going to go to Kutu's website to download browser apps. Download button. I'm going to save the archive. We're going to open the downloads folder. So you could extract this anywhere you want. For simplicity, I've just been putting it here in the downloads directory. So we extract the archive. And then go into that directory. So the first thing I recommend in the walkthrough instructions is to run the update. There's an update application. For each of these, it's going to tell us that it's coming from an unknown source. You have to click More Info and Run Anyway. You only have to do this once, and it just acknowledges that it's coming from someplace that, isn't registered with Windows and stuff. So that update, we missed it, or if you didn't see it quickly, it just said that we were running the most current version. We can run it again. So you're running the most recent version. So after running the update, the applications that I've been using in the repro are betbot. So we'll do that one first. Betbot, we have to say more info and run anyway. And it tells us that it created an INI file and that it needs a channel. So here's that INI file that it created. Open it up in Notepad. We click on the channel line. And I've just been typing in iRacing. You could type in, I think, any valid Twitch stream name. But that's the only configuration that we're going to do. So we've set the channel. Now when we run betbot, we get the Windows Defender warning. We allow access for public networks. And we're good. So betbot initialized, connected to the chat IRC, and is doing its thing. We can close betbot. We're going to run bettertp, which is an alternative to trading paints. And that's all. For this one, you don't have to acknowledge and do the more info run anyway, and it also doesn't seem to get any Windows Defender warnings. That's bettertp. And then the server is the iRacing Browser Apps server, and that's what provides most of the data for the Twitch overlays, like the relative and standings and fuel and all kinds of information. So we're going to do more info, run anyway. Allow this one to communicate on public networks. And that's it. So we've extracted the browser apps, and we've run each of them once. To make it easy, I create shortcuts onto the desktop. So we've got one for betbot, one for bettertp, and one for the server app. And that's it. So we've now done all the app installations. We've got Z1 server, Voice Attack, OBS, betbot, bettertp, and the iRacing Browser App server. Those are the applications that I've found. If I run those with a 1903 build, Windows will crash with a blue screen of death at some point in either loading iRacing, once the simulation is running, or when you quit. So test it, my next step is to reboot and then come back and try it from scratch. Just in case there was anything with any of that installation, I want to do a reboot first and make sure that everything's all good. So we'll do that, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.